Imagine owning something for years, using it almost every day, but only truly understanding a fraction of its capabilities. Sounds familiar? Well, if you own a car, chances are you're sitting on a goldmine of untapped potential, features designed to make your life safer, easier, or even get you out of a sticky situation. But here's the kicker: nearly 99% of drivers have no idea these functions exist, let alone how to activate them. Today, we're diving deep to uncover these automotive secrets. Get ready to transform your driving experience and truly master your vehicle. Many of these features aren't flashy, they're the quiet heroes, often designed as backups for when primary systems fail, or as specialized settings for specific scenarios. They might be physical levers, subtle button combinations, or even digital modes hidden within your infotainment system. The problem is, car manuals are often dense, and dealership walkthroughs can miss these less common but incredibly useful functionalities. We're here to demystify them, one by one, ensuring you're fully equipped to handle whatever the road throws your way. Let's start the countdown and reveal these hidden gems. Coming in at number 5, we have a feature that could save you from being stranded at the gas station: the manual fuel door release. Most modern cars have an electronic button to open the fuel door from inside the cabin, which is convenient. But what happens if that electronic system fails? Maybe a fuse blows, a wire frays, or the mechanism jams. That's where this manual override comes in. It's a simple, mechanical solution that ensures you can always access your fuel tank, even when the electronics decide to take a day off. It's a literal lifesaver for your commute. The manual fuel door release is essentially a physical lever or cord designed to manually disengage the fuel door's locking mechanism. Think of it like a bicycle brake cable, but for your fuel cap. It bypasses any electrical component and directly manipulates the latch. This feature is crucial because without it, you're stuck. You can't fill up your tank, and you can't drive your car. It's a testament to good engineering, having a simple, fail-safe backup for a commonly used, electrically controlled function. Knowing where it is can save you a tow or a mechanic's visit. So, where do you find this elusive release? In most vehicles, the manual fuel door release is located inside the trunk, usually on the side of the trunk closest to the fuel door. It might be a small lever, a pull tab, or a brightly colored cord tucked behind a panel or beneath the carpet lining. Once you locate it, simply give it a firm but gentle pull. You should hear a click as the fuel door pops open. No tools, no complex steps, just a quick pull. It's designed to be accessible and easy to operate, even in a hurry. Always check your car's manual for its exact location. Moving on to number 4, we have the child safety locks. While many parents are aware of these, a surprising number either don't know how they work or forget to activate them. These aren't just for car seats. They're designed to prevent children from accidentally or intentionally opening the rear doors from the inside while the car is in motion. It's a critical safety feature that gives you peace of mind, especially on longer journeys or with particularly curious little passengers. It effectively locks the interior door handle, meaning the door can only be opened from the outside. Child safety locks are mechanical mechanisms, usually a small switch or lever, found on the edge of the rear doors. When activated, they disconnect the interior door handle from the latch mechanism. This means that no matter how many times a child pulls the inside handle, the door simply won't open. The door can still be opened from the outside, allowing adults to let passengers in or out. It's a simple, ingenious design that prioritizes safety without completely locking someone into the car. Understanding its function highlights its importance as a non-negotiable safety feature for families. To activate your child's safety locks, you'll need to open the rear doors. Look along the edge of the door, near the latch mechanism, often facing inward towards the B-pillar. You'll typically find a small lever or a slot where you can insert your car key to turn a switch. The specific method varies between manufacturers, but it's usually a clear lock or child symbol. Once engaged, try opening the door from the inside to confirm it's working. Remember to activate both rear doors independently. It's a simple setup, but an incredibly effective safety measure. Up next at number 3 is the windshield wiper service position. This feature is often overlooked but incredibly useful for car maintenance, especially in colder climates or when replacing wiper blades. On many modern vehicles, especially those with hidden wipers or wipers that rest very close to the hood, simply pulling the wiper arm up can cause it to hit and scratch your hood, or even damage the wiper mechanism. The service position safely lifts the wipers away from the windshield and hood, allowing for easy cleaning, replacement, or freeing them from ice and snow without damage. The windshield wiper service position is a specialized mode that moves the wiper arms to a raised, upright position where they clear the edge of the hood. This prevents them from snapping back down and hitting the paintwork when you lift them. It's particularly common on cars with aerodynamic designs where the wipers are tucked away, almost hidden, at the base of the windshield for improved airflow and aesthetics. Without this feature, maintaining your wipers can be a frustrating and potentially damaging task. It's a small convenience that prevents big headaches and costly paint repairs. Activating the windshield wiper service position usually involves a specific sequence after turning off your ignition. In many vehicles, you turn off the car, then immediately push and hold the wiper stalk, the lever on the steering column, up or down for a few seconds. The wipers will then move to their upright, service position and stop there. Sometimes, it involves turning the ignition to accessories, and then holding the stalk. Because this sequence varies greatly by manufacturer and model, it's one of those features that's almost always covered in your owner's manual. A quick check will confirm the exact steps for your car. Our runner-up at number 2 is a lifesaver for all keyless entry and push-button start cars, the key fob manual key override. Most modern car keys are smart fobs that communicate wirelessly with your vehicle. But what happens when the fob's battery dies? You can't unlock your doors, and you can't start your car. Panic sets in, right? Wrong. Almost every key fob, regardless of how high-tech it looks, contains a hidden, traditional physical key. This small, unassuming key is your ultimate backup, ensuring you're never truly locked out or stranded due to a dead fob battery. To access this hidden manual key, you usually need to look for a small button, switch, or tab on the side or back of your key fob. Press or slide it, and a physical key will pop out or slide free. It's often cleverly integrated into the design, making it almost invisible until you know it's there. Once you have the physical key, you'll need to locate the keyhole on your car door. Many modern cars hide the keyhole behind a small cap or panel on the door handle for a sleeker look. Gently pry this cover off, insert your key, and manually unlock your door, just like in the old days. Even if you get inside, how do you start a push-button ignition car with a dead fob? This is another trick few people know. Most cars have a designated spot, often a small slot in the center console, or right next to the push-start button itself, where you can place the dead key fob. By placing the fob in this specific location, the car uses a short-range antenna or inductive coil to read the fob's chip, even without battery power. This allows the car to verify the key and enable the push-button start. Again, consult your owner's manual for the exact location in your vehicle. And finally, the feature almost every modern car has, but 99% of owners never activate: valet mode. This isn't just for when you hand your keys to a valet driver. It's a powerful security and control feature designed to give you peace of mind when someone else is driving your car. Valet mode restricts access to certain vehicle functions and information, limits performance, and can even track your car's movements. It's like putting your car into a safe mode for external drivers, ensuring your privacy and protecting your vehicle from misuse. This is truly a game changer once you understand its potential. So, what exactly does valet mode do? Its specific functions can vary by manufacturer, but generally, it will limit the engine's power and speed, lock the trunk or glove compartment, disable access to your personal settings in the infotainment system, like navigation history, phone contacts, or saved radio stations, and sometimes even prevent the driver from overriding certain safety features. In some advanced systems, it can also activate geofencing, alerting you if the car leaves a predefined area, or provide real-time tracking of speed and location. It's about maintaining control and privacy. Activating valet mode typically involves navigating through your car's infotainment system. You'll often find it under a Settings, Security, or Vehicle menu. Once selected, you'll be prompted to create a temporary PIN, personal identification number, or use your existing one to activate it. This PIN is crucial because it's what you'll use to deactivate the mode later, ensuring only you can turn it off. Some vehicles might also allow activation through a dedicated button or even a smartphone app. This secure activation process is what makes it so effective for temporary use by others. Valet mode isn't just for valets. Think about giving your car to a mechanic for service, lending it to a friend, or even when your teenager takes it out for a drive. With valet mode activated, you can rest easy knowing they won't be joyriding, rummaging through your glove box, or messing with your personalized settings. It adds a layer of security and control that's invaluable for car owners who care about their vehicle's integrity and their personal data. It truly offers a profound sense of security for various real-world scenarios, making it an incredibly underrated feature. When you get your car back, deactivating valet mode is just as simple as activating it. You'll usually go back into the same menu in your infotainment system, select valet mode again, and then enter the PIN you created earlier. Once the correct PIN is entered, the restrictions are lifted, and your car returns to its normal operational state with all functions and performance restored. This two-step activation and deactivation process ensures that only the car owner, or someone with the PIN, can control when this protective mode is active or inactive, reinforcing its security benefits. So, there you have it, 5 incredibly useful car features that most owners have but rarely, if ever, activate. From preventing a roadside stranding with your manual fuel door release, to ensuring your children's safety with door locks, simplifying maintenance with wiper service position, guaranteeing access with your hidden key fob, and finally, protecting your privacy in vehicle with valet mode. These aren't just obscure quirks, they are integral parts of your car's design, offering safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Take a few minutes today to explore your vehicle and discover these features firsthand. You'll be glad you did.